Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to plot the lift chart in neural network in KNIME. Neural network use a variety of algorithms for training and making predictions, including backpropagations, gradient descent, and stochastic gradient descent. These algorithms involve adjusting the weights and biases of the neurons in the network based on the error between the predicted output and the actual output for a given input. During the training process, the neural network algorithm iteratively adjusts the weights and biases of the neurons to minimize the error between the predicted output and the actual output. This is done by propagating the error backwards through the network, updating the weights and biases of each neuron based on its contribution to the error. We are going to generate lift chart in this video. A lift chart, also known as a gain chart, is a visualization tool used to evaluate the performance of the binary classification model, such as decision tree, logistic regression, neo-Bayes, and support vector machine. The chart compares the predicted probability of the positive class against the actual proportion of the positive instances in the dataset. Lift measures how our model is performing in prediction against the prediction without the model. You can see the example here. There are 10,000 cases. They have been divided equally into the 10 parts. So each part consists of 1,000. The probability is again 100%, which is divided into 10. So 10%, 10%, 10%. So in the first part, out of 1,000 cases, the number of responses or the number of events occurred are 876. The cumulative event are 876 plus 743, 1619. Now, how to do the interpretation? In the first part, out of 1,000 observations, the number of events that occur are 876, which is 22.7 percentage of the total events. 876 divided by 3859. The gain for the first part is 22.7 percentage. In the second part, out of 1,000 observation, the number of events that occur are 743, which is 19.25%. So the total is 743 plus 743. The total events is 743 plus 876. The gain for the second part is 22.7 percentage plus 41.95. You can get this figure directly also. If you divide 1619 with 3859, you will also get the same figure, 41.95. So 22.7 percentage plus 19.25, you will give you 41.95. The cumulative lift for the first part is 2.27 divided by 10. The 10 percentage comes from here. So the lift is 2.27. And for the second part, it is 41.95 divided by 20. It is 2.098. Now, how to draw the lift chart? Let's see in KNIME. So first of all, I'll activate the input output from here. CSV reader. Double click on it. Browse the dataset. D drive. Research methodology. Predictive analysis. KNIME. Data. Hard one. Open. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you will see the file table. It consists of all the variables. I request my all viewers to kindly refer the previous videos to understand the flow of this tutorial. I'll activate the column filter from here. Right click on it, configure. I'll take all the variables on left hand side, only include the variables through which the model is to be generated. Age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, and heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now I will activate the normalizer from here. As all these variables are on different scales, configure. 3 normalizations are there. I'll be using mean max normalization. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now I will do the partitioning of this data set. I'll divide the data into training and testing data. Partitioning. Right click on it, configure. So 80%. The sampling is we are going to use a stratified sampling based on heart disease. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again right click. You can see the first partition, 80% of the data. Again right click and you can see the 20% of the data, which is the testing data. I'll activate multi-layer perceptor, learner, MLP learner, right click on it and configure. Click OK, execute. Now this learner does not generate any equation like regression analysis or logistic regression. I'll activate the predictor from here. This predictor will get its learning from this node and it will do the prediction for the remaining of the 20% data set from here. Right click on it and configure. Change prediction column name, make it prediction hard disease. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the classified data. So this is according to the algorithm. This is the raw data. Now let's see how well our algorithm fits to the data. Right click on it and configure. Activate the hard disk from here, click OK. Right click on it, execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the confusion matrix. So 51 plus 75 are the correctly classified cases. Total 126. Misclassification has happened in 27 plus 31, which is 58. Now we want to generate the lift chart. So I'll activate the lift chart from here. Let us disconnect this line and I'll connect the lift chart from here to here. Right click, configure. Probability column, activate the hard digits. Yes. This also, yes. Click OK. It's showing cross on the port. No need to worry. Right click, configure. General plot options, create image at plot. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and see the image. So you can see for the first 10% case, the lift is 1.5. The red line you have to see. For the next 20%, again, the lift is 1.6 and gradually lift goes on decreasing. You can also generate the cumulative gain chart from here. Go in configure and show the cumulative gain. Click OK. Right click on it, execute. Again, right click on it and see the image. So this is the cumulative gain. So this is the way you can plot the lift chart in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I've already uploaded many videos on KNIME.